Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how I made this tray in a silicone mold. I've used a fast cure resin for this project. The three colors that I've used are cream, white, and charoite purple. I started by pouring the cream color on the edges of my mold. I then poured clear resin all over the mold and made sure that it flooded over the previously poured color. Next, I poured the charoite purple, again along the edges of the mold only. You will see with time, the colors start pulling towards the center of the mold, creating these beautiful patterns that mostly people call angel wings. I again poured some clear resin in the center. This helps push the color towards the side and not accumulate in the center. Next, I used the white along the edges again. Now I am using the clear resin and I'm using my spatula to drizzle it over the colored parts on the edges. This helps in creating the multiple layered effect. It adds dimension and looks beautiful from the sides. You can pour some clear resin again into the center of the mold in case you feel that the colors are coming too soon towards the center. I used a blowtorch from a safe distance to burst the bubbles. Make sure you do not overheat your resin, otherwise your mold too can get destroyed. Use a spatula and just go around the edges of the mold, making sure that there are no bubbles and all sides are properly covered. And now I'm adding a little bit more white color, again only next to the edges. This is a close-up after a few hours. You can see how the colors have created these patterns that look like wings. And this is the final result. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.